Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the window view from my room. So this is my first vlog where I'll be taking you guys along how I spend my day at IIM Udaipur. So let me introduce myself. My name is Neelam and I'm second year student at IIM Udaipur. So in this video you will get to see videos mostly related to cooking that you can apply while you don't like the mess food some days, and daily vlogging also if I get time. Come to the main gate of IIM Udaipur, but that's not our way. We'll turn right. To the right you can see this creation in the garden that says I am you. So now we have come to the academic block area. So this is the way from the main gate where we can reach to the academic block with the shortest path possible. And we'll be heading to the faculty houses also. So I'll show those things in a bit. Let's carry on to the faculty block also. You can see the faculty housing is there. So I'll walk for around 500 meters more and then take a U-turn because it's almost 2 kilometers that I have walked through. You can make out through my voice also. So catch you in a bit. I'll take a U-turn from this view. So this is my favorite spot on the roads. Every time I cross this place specifically, which is also called the sunset point, that there are only few months left for me to witness this beauty on a daily basis. Let's see. So now we are almost towards the end of our walk and we head out to the mess and let's see what's there, and I'll take you guys along. Stay tuned and enjoy the view also. ब्रेकफास्ट करके मैं अपने रूम में आ गई थी और अभी मैं यूट्यूब देख रही हूँ. आज मेरी कोई क्लास नहीं है, तो मैं अपना पूरा डे कैसे स्पेंड करती हूँ आई विल शो यू गाइस. After eating vada pav, I went for an evening walk with my friends and accomplished my goal of 12,000 steps. Now I have a project to work on. I'll catch you guys later. Time is almost 11:45 p.m. and the day has come to an end. The days when I don't have classes, I spend my day similar to this, working on my future submissions. So if you have read this part of the video, it means that you like my video. So share among your friends and subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated when I upload a new video in future. Thank you.